my name's Paul and this is PJT Ventures. Join me while I ramble on like an empty dump truck. Today's ramble, we're at a new job site. We got to strip the top of this hill of topsoil for a customer's borrow area. So I guess it's not really a pit because it's kind of a hill, but we're going to strip off the topsoil this winter and he's going to pull some for a project he's working on, and then also he's got a larger project coming up, and so we thought we would get a little bit done before winter hits, although it does kind of look like winter out right now. So our plan is this is a big knoll here. So the customer drilled some 14 foot deep test holes just to see what kind of clay content there was. Sometimes we run into sand seams around here, but they actually came up pretty good. So we'll take the material off the top here, push it down to near that ravine, and then this whole hill can be for them to pull the clay from. So my job here will be just to get this topsoil off. I don't think there's going to be much topsoil on the top of this little knoll here, but I think once we get onto the sides, there's going to be some topsoil worth saving. So it is below freezing every night, so I'm going to try to just focus on some strips so I can get all the topsoil off. We're not concerned about if the clay freezes because he's got a big 230 that'll take care of that, but I don't want to try to have to strip or rip thin layers of topsoil. So I'll just peel off pieces that I can get to and finish each shift or each time. There's a bit of snow here for some insulation, and it hasn't froze hard enough yet to freeze the soil, but there is a bit of moisture, so I will do it in blocks or in sections. Anyways, we'll go ahead and get started. Okay, so here you can see we're bringing down some of the topsoil. There's not a lot of topsoil up here. I mean, this hill has been blown for many years probably, and anyways, we'll do this block tonight. I'll get a little bit more of this cleaned up, but we're pretty well down to the subsoil, and you can kind of see there's some different layers here. This is a really soft layer right here. This is a hard layer, then it gets soft and hard again, but down here you can see where it actually starts to get some topsoil coloring, some darker coloring here. But by around here, we're hoping that this will be the new level, kind of around in here, and it'll just go straight through. But we got a good start. We'll make a windrow all along there, and all along there. Anyways, thanks again for joining me. Look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye for now.